This is my first time having an issue with a Milwaukee tool. I'm new with Milwaukee tools, and what this one is doing is it doesn't have forward. This is my 3/4 inch impact wrench, and if I push the reverse button in, it works. If I push it the other direction to forward, doesn't do anything. And I banged it and shook it and kept pulling the trigger. I pulled the forward reverse button back and forth a bunch of times and kept shaking it and banging it, and it still doesn't even try to do anything. Either the switch is gone bad or a broken wire inside someplace. I don't know. I'm not going to open it up because it's under warranty. I got into the, and it doesn't have a lot of use on it, but I got into the book that comes with it. And on page 5 inside this little book, it shows some phone numbers. Service United States gives the phone number right there. And I called that number, and then you got a Canadian number here, and there might be some more numbers, I don't know. I called the number and talked, and I had to go through, you know, push this button and, or I mean this number and wait and all this stuff. And anyway, I got with a technician and we discussed it, and he sent me an email, which is right here on the computer screen. And that's a television there, ignore that, it's just on. And so I go through this, and he's got a, gives me some directions to do, and then there's a website right here that I can click on, and I got to fill something out on that website, and then they will send me a paper that I can print out, and it's prepaid. I send this to the manufacturer, and I'm going to use serial number, which I'm not going to zoom in on because it'll be my serial number for this tool. So I use that serial number, which is on this side of the tool, and all the Milwaukee tools have one of these. Save your serial number. Get a picture of your serial number and save it. Or you can buy the rubber jackets that you can buy to put over these tools and protect your serial number. I'm not going to buy those jackets. They're pretty expensive. And I did buy a bunch of these Milwaukee tools. I probably got about 15 of them now. So I'm not going to buy the jackets for them. I'm just going to be careful not to damage this. Anyway, we're going to find out. Right now we are, what is this, March 24th right now, and I'm going to get this, I'm going to print it out, and I'm going to send this tool in to the manufacturer and see how long it takes them to send it back, because apparently they're going to end up changing the switch inside of it, or do some kind of a, whatever the repair has to be done inside, they're going to do that and send it back to me. And I'll finish the video after I get the tool back and let everybody know how all of this went. I just got my Milwaukee 3/4 drive wrench back, and it's working. There's reverse. I've not tried it under a load yet because I'm busy and I'm not needing it right now. I just wanted to get the video finished. Put it on forward, and it goes forward. Can't say anything about the power yet because I haven't tried it. Here's the date on the computer. The delivery man of FedEx just left. He just dropped this off, and he just left. So no charge. I sent it away a few days ago, sometime last week I think it was. I'll add another clip to this video as soon as I find out what that date was so that I can do this properly.